Hi, so for this week, I made Kinetic Sand, and I used dish soap, cornstarch, and I took the sand from my gym at school, and then water, and I also used some food coloring, and I made the sand here. It's like cool because when you pull it, it stretches, turns more into sand. It's really funky feeling. So in order for this to occur, silicone oils have unique properties in that they can be liquids that flow freely or semi-solids that flow slowly in the absence of pressure. But they act like rubbery solids under stress. So this kind of characteristic is called viscoelasticity. But in a substance's degree of viscoelasticity, it depends on the length of the polymer chains in the silicone oil. So, for example, imagine a long string of spaghetti. They stick together so they can hold a shape, but once you place a ball on them, on the counter, and over time they slowly sink down into a little pile. So the longer strings of spaghetti hold their shape, but then the shorter, better than the shorter ones. Similarly, with kinetic sand, the polymer chains within the silicone oil make the sand particles stick together so they can form them into a ball. However, the ball will slowly flatten over time. So you can see it takes a while to make it, but then it will slowly, when it starts stretching, it becomes more of a sand grainy bit over time. And that's it. Thank you.